I discovered another Austrian-German word that you feel very confident as a foreigner when you use it. And you use it a lot. And I found myself using it a lot in the last week for some reason because I was speaking a lot of German. And it's like, ja, stimmt, ja. Stimmt.
Stimmt.
Stimmt. You use stimmt, you feel like you're part of the crowd. You feel like you're an insider. Because also it makes you agreeable, you know? So the Austrian or the German is like, oh, they get me, you know? Like they're listening, you know? And you throw it in there a lot, even if you don't understand the person. You're like, ja, stimmt. Ja, stimmt.
Und stimmt impliziert ja auch, dass das richtig ist, was der sagt. Das heißt, du weißt, was er sagt.
Genau.
Und du bist wie so ein Teacher, der sagt, that's right.
Ja, stimmt, ja.
Stimmt.
Stimmt.